I would, no, no way. If you keep coming forward, you're gonna flop over backwards.
Well,
you're gonna flop. It's gonna shove you in, and it's gonna. The wall gets higher up here, and it's gonna push you over onto your driver's side. There's no way this line goes.
So tell him to
What am I trying to turn driver now?
Yeah, a tiny bit.
Go back. Can you go back like 2 feet and then do that?
Yeah. Oh yeah, because now his rear tire is gonna climb the rock instead of.
Yeah. Keep going. A little bit more. All right. Now come and push it, driver.
Just a little
Like
bit.
that. Yeah, like that. Just gentle.
Okay.
Yeah. Now keep it straight like that.
Right there?
Yeah, right there.
I think a little more passenger.
No. Keep it.
Oh, yeah,
keep it a
right
little
there.
driver. Keep it a little bit driver. Keep it a little bit driver.
You're good. Right there. Hold it straight. Hold it straight.
Keep it a little bit driver. Yep. Just keep it straight on that line. Don't actually turn a tiny bit passenger. Come forward and a tiny bit passenger. Yep, straight. Yep, on that line. That line. Yep, that line. Yep.
Come on.
No, you got to stay on that.
Okay, right here and right there both.
You got to push it.
He's gonna fall right there.
You got to push it a little passenger as you come up. Yep,
Little passenger.
a little passenger.
I don't know.
I'm worried about your rear falling in, so
Oh yeah.
that's why I don't want you to push you too far passenger. Just slow crawl up. Yeah, forward. You got it. Driver. Straight.